Worried about buying a home? Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any surprises. When you're looking for a home inspection company, you look for an inspector with top qualities. Honesty, integrity, knowledge, attention to detail, timely finished reports. We bring all that and so much more to our home inspections. Check out what your inspection with us will include: roofing, electrical, plumbing, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, structure and foundation, and so much more. Make sure that the house you are buying does not come with any surprises. For the best home inspection, Claro Home Inspections. Call or text and schedule today at 626-253-0436. In the greater Los Angeles, San Bernardino, and Orange County. For more information, please visit www.clarohomeinspections.com.